Hey there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today for 24 hours in the Defender sneakers. I had quite a lot of requests to do this video since I did my 24-hour in a Trooper boot video. The Defenders I originally picked up like months and months ago in the beige colorway, but I recently sold them and got a new pair in the black colorway. If you see my Balenciaga collection video, you would have seen that I was unhappy with the colorway that I chose. And I don't usually choose black sneakers, but I think the Defenders look really cool in this black colorway. So I'm gonna pop these on, head out for the day, and take you guys with me. So these sneakers are designed like the inspiration is from a tire, and you can see that they do look like little tires on your feet, especially the black version. They brought them out in even more colorways now, like a khaki, a white with a bit of black on them, some greys and stuff like that. I still think the black colorway is the ultimate colorway in these, and I'm literally obsessed. So I'm on my way to Central, and so far so good. They're like giant balls on the end of your feet. They're like... I can't describe it. They feel good. They give you a bit of a spring in your step, if you know what I mean. So I forgot to tell you guys what I'm wearing today. So I'm just wearing an old Topman cap, my Balenciaga earrings, the 3/4 length Yeezy Gap tee, some denim shorts, oh god my hand, some denim shorts from Weekday, and then obviously the new Defenders. So what I'm doing in Central, I'm going for lunch with my friend Yanin, who you've probably seen before if you watch my channel. But first, I've got some really dirty sneakers that I wore to Secret Garden Party Festival a few weeks ago. They're my Balenciaga runners, and yeah, they're just like too far gone. I love a dirty sneaker, but they're literally brown at the moment, and they were clean white. So I asked on Instagram, and a lot of people suggested this place Inside Selfridges that cleans sneakers. So I'm gonna check it out, show you the before and after, and see what happens. It's not sponsored. I wish it was. Also, Defenders, no problems at all at the moment, like, feel absolutely great. You do have to be a bit careful that you don't roll your ankle in them because they are so big. But apart from that, it's like big steps and wide lunges, if you know what I mean. So I've heard it's on the men's floor, but I don't know exactly where, so we're gonna go try and find it first.
Days, or you can do 55 for 2 days.
Oh, okay. So this is what they were looking like beforehand. Feels weird leaving my sneakers with random people in a shop, but I'm sure it'll be fine. This is 24 hours for this video, so you're not going to know what happened until I pick them up in the next vlog. Which means you're going to have to watch the next video, and I'll obviously finish the story of what happened to the sneakers. Or maybe I'll tag this on at the end if I come back before Sunday, because it's going up on Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little quick look around Selfridges before I leave, because I've got a bit of time before I meet Yanin. So we're at Albi at the Hoxton in Southwark with Yanin, treating herself to a little cocktail.
It's past 12, it's fine. Oh yeah, I look quite tall.
So me and Yanan just finished lunch and just shot some content.
Really cute.
Very cute.
Very cute.
I dressed myself with 2 Fs
With 2 Fs.
at Gallucks. You can see our cute content. And yeah, we're gonna go get the tube now. Defender's still going strong. Honestly, these are one of the comfiest pair of Balenciaga sneakers I've had in a long time. So we've just got back from Central. It's very warm still here in London. And honestly, like, I could wear these for such a long time and my feet wouldn't hurt. They feel great still. So yeah, if I was gonna suggest a pair of comfy sneakers from Balenciaga, then I would either go for the Defenders. Obviously a lot bulkier and a bit more of a statement piece. And if not these, then the Runners, because I think the Runners are super comfy as well. These are definitely a lot comfier than the Expanders or the Trooper boots. Or even the Master boot. Like, I do love the Master boot and it's great for certain things, but these and the Runners are super comfy. So I hope you found this 24 hours in the Balenciaga Defender sneaker useful. If not, I'm sorry. This might be the end of the video, or I might be showing you what my clean sneakers look like after I get them back from the sneaker ER from Selfridges. So if this is the end, then thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. If it's not the end, then... So the video did not end because I went to pick up my sneakers from Sneaker ER yesterday in Selfridges and they look so good. They did mention that the mesh wouldn't lighten up as much as like the rest of the sneaker would. But it has lightened a little bit. Like, they look brand new, to be honest, and I'm so happy. So this was £55 and they were ready in 2 days, or it was £45 for 10 days, but I knew I was coming back in Central, so I was like, just do 55 and get it done. But I'm super happy with them. So thanks to everyone who recommended to go to Selfridges. I would definitely recommend it too if you've got a pair of sneakers that you've either tried to clean, you can't clean, or are too expensive to risk cleaning. Some people messaging me telling me to put them in the washing machine and I was like, absolutely not. I do need to take the laces out and put the laces in a pillowcase and put them in the washing machine. But aside from that, I'm super happy with it and I'm glad that I now know a place where I can go get my sneakers cleaned if they are at that point. So yeah, this is the actual end of the video and peace out.